Well, my symptoms were I could barely walk. I have a dog, so that can be a problem. When you're in your apartment 3 blocks from Z-bars and say, I can't go because I can't make it 3 blocks, that's a problem. I heard it described as shopping cart syndrome, which means you walk bent forward like your arms are on a shopping cart. And sometimes just walking down the block, I'd have to bend all the way over. It was so painful. So I also ride horses as a hobby. And a few times I just had to get off and say, I can't do it. I just can't do it. Well, before I went to Dr. Panagos, I'd been through physical therapy, which was probably which was probably a wasted 6 months. And I wasn't taking, anything except Advil. And one thing that I really liked was I was not going to have back surgery. I didn't even know if I needed back surgery, but I was determined not to go to a surgeon because that's what they would want to do. And I met Dr. Panagos, and we started off with relieving the pain with steroids, I guess it was. But you know that that can't be done forever. And so to be with somebody who, had other things to offer was amazing. First, of course, I asked about acupuncture because most people say to me, have you tried it? Well, the best news was, Dr. Panagos is an acupuncturist also, and he goes, it wouldn't help you. So I didn't spend any time or money on that. I figured that was a very honest answer. And so he enjoyed trying to figure out where this was and what we could do, and surgery was never mentioned. Okay, back surgery has like a 30% success rate or something, and I really didn't need that. And we just kept plugging along, and so things didn't get better at once because there were progressions that we tried. But in the end, I can do everything. Okay, well, I feel like a normal person now. I can walk any place. I can, ride my horse without pain. The only thing that I need to improve upon, and it's my fault, is if I sit in my office too long, I'm a bit stiff getting up. But that's my fault. Other than that, things are great. I got a little twinge a couple of days ago, and I figured I'd come back and check it out. And of course, as soon as you make the appointment, it got better. So I just came over to make the video. That's a joke. Yeah, well, the last time I saw you was, I guess, the beginning of the year. And, you'd once said to me, well, I like you, but I don't really want to see you. And so, as I mentioned before, I just had a bit of a twinge, so I made an appointment. But other than that, since January, I haven't had any problems.